take some time here to show you how versatile the Rotowash is by cleaning some hardwood floors here in a residence. We've lightly pre-sprayed the wood with Murphy's oil soap, and now we'll run the Rotowash over with a light rinse and show you how much moisture that it picks up. As you can see, most all the moisture has been picked up off the floor and done a nice job cleaning. I'm going to show you now how much moisture just from this little area that we picked up, and dirt and debris. So all that from just that amount of area. Well folks, that's about how easy it is cleaning hardwood floors with a Rotowash floor cleaning machine. This is the R45B model. Have a great day.